sometimes when you're out in the field with your drone and your controller, it might ask you to do certain calibrations with your drone, like checking the compass calibrations or other things like that. Now, if you've got your controller in your hand and you need it because you need to be able to see on the screen what you're doing when you're trying to calibrate, it can get a bit difficult. If you put it down in the ground, sometimes it's too far away to see, so it can become a bit tricky. Now, FiTek have come up with a fantastic solution for this, and it's very, very simple. FiTek have come up with this fantastic chest harness, which is really light. It's as light as a t-shirt. You don't even know you're wearing it, and it's so simple to use. It comes with a mount like this, okay, that quickly slots in and clicks in just like that. The other part here is attached to your controller, and it's the same. It just slots in, and suddenly your controller is right in front of you, completely hands-free. You can take your drone, do your calibrations with the screen right in front of you. It also allows you to do other things out in the field. If you need to pull a camera out your back pocket, pull your phone out, whatever you need to do, and the controller stays right in front of you, and you don't ever have to worry about it or worry about it being out your sight. It's fully adjustable here. You can adjust it to any distance and any angle that you like, whatever suits you best. Simple as that. Two little dials there, and you can adjust it to wherever it suits you. Okay, it's so easy to use that this video is going to be very, very short, because there's nothing more to say than it does what it says on the packaging. It allows you to mount your controller, have complete hands-free, and it's completely comfortable. Now, at the end of the day, when you're finished you're flying, simply press in the lock, the quick lock attachment, releases the controller, press in the quick lock attachment here, releases the mount, and you can drive perfectly safely or walk about with this. It's just like wearing a t-shirt, or you can simply take it off. Simple as that. Okay, so all of the links and all the other information will be in the description. I heartily recommend this. It's a fantastic wee device, very, very simple idea, and it works perfectly. So thanks for watching. Cheerio the now.